Data. What do you want, Toby? I want to go on an adventure. Go get Payne or something. You know Payne won't want to go on an adventure, silly. And plus, we're the dream duo. The Tom and Jerry. The Luffy and Zoro. The hamster and Gretel. Fine. Let me just get up. Data. I'm going! Oh man, this is gonna be fun, Data. Imagine all the stuff we could do today. We could go on the trampoline, we could eat ramen, we could eat falafels, we could eat stuff, we could go on to the Leaf Village, we could kill Naruto, we could catch a Jinchuriki, we could catch the... Okay, Toby, I get it. You do? Alright then, let's go, Data. Isn't nature exciting? No, not really. There's a woodpecker over there. Yeah, let's go explore. Yeah. Toby, what do you mean explore? See the birds. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the sunset and all the birds and all the flowers and yeah, it's art. Yeah, it really is art. Oh, what are we gonna do, Data? I don't know, Toby. You're the one that brought me here. What? You don't like the outdoors? I like the outdoors. Yeah, this is boring. Data, wait! What do you want, Toby? It's the outdoors. Just take it in. Take a nice deep breath. Yeah, I'm definitely going inside. Wait! You have fun, Toby.
If you don't stay outdoors with me, I will kill you.
Fine. Yay! Look! There's the trampoline. Come on, Data, let's go. Why? Because. Whee! Ouch. Ah, man, I missed. Ouch. Yeah, I'ma just take the door. Data, you should know by now I don't take doors. What do you mean by that? I don't believe in doors. Wait, doesn't that creator say that all the time? Shut it. Okay. No, what are you talking about? Anyways, let's go on the trampoline. Wee! Ouch! Data, I think I need to go to the hospital. Serves you right, Toby. Yeah, I'm just gonna lay down right here. I'll do it too. Do you see the sky, Data? No, it's stupid. No, it's not. Take that sky in. Beautiful sky. This is stupid.